Hi there, it's Oliver here at Databowl, and today I'm going to show you an additional step on reformatting phone numbers. It's something that's cropped up recently, and it's to do with the phone reformatting option. So, as you select the phone, you have the option to as dial from the campaign's country, for example, 07737. If you do the international, it would be plus 447737, then the rest of the number, and the international with no leading plus would be 447737. We have had some requests through where clients want to have 0044 to work with their dialer. So the way to do that would be to select the international and add that as a phone validator here as priority 1, and then to do a replace format as priority 2. So that'll be the second thing the system does. And in this case, you're going to search for the plus and replace it with a 00. There's no exact match required, and what this will then do is filter out and first of all make sure the data is in the international format with the leading plus, and then remove the plus and put the 00 in front of it and click done. So now you'll see that's enabled, and that should then send the data in that desired format. Hopefully that tip's helpful and could come in use at some point.